Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Fisher Space Pen. And this is, as near as I could figure, a more traditional pen. Unlike the... I bet most of y'all are familiar with the Fisher Bullet Space Pen. That's this little bitty pen that unfolds to become a full-size pen. Well, this is the Fisher Space Pen that should just be a full-size pen. Let's open this thing up and take a look. I'm kind of curious about what size refill it takes and that kind of thing. Alright. Okay. That's a pretty cool looking pen. Okay, so it's a Clicky top pen, which is kind of cool, and it's made of aluminum, black anodized aluminum, and I want to say, pretty sure these are made in the U.S. It says it has the address for the Fisher Space Pen Company, so I'm assuming this is made in the U.S. It's got a really good weight. Fisher Space Pen. It's pretty comfortable. And it seems like it would hold up to some abuse. Alright, so what unscrews on this? The end part, obviously. So it takes a normal refill. So here's the big question. Does it take a Parker refill? My guess would be no. Because in order to make these work, there's a little adapter that comes at the end of the refills. So I'm guessing this is a big no for this. Maybe? Yeah. This is a big old no for this. Alright, so it only takes Fisher Space Pen refills apparently. Which is, I guess, not terribly surprising. Might have been a little weird for them to make a pen that needed their adapter to work. Still, it would have been nice to, because this is a, this is a solid pen and it's not super expensive. I want to say it was like 20 bucks. I'll include a link in the description where you can check out the pen if you're interested. I want to say it's 20 bucks. Yeah, and I'd be shocked if it were more than 30 bucks. But it's got pretty good, I don't know if y'all can hear or not. It's got pretty good clicky top action. And it's got a pretty solid clip here. I like the look of it. It has a good look to it. Y'all can see it. Has a decent look. And it feels pretty good. This is a test. Doesn't write too bad. I mean, it's pretty much the usual Fisher Space Pen refill. Kind of interesting. Is there anything else in the box? Nothing that I see. Okay. I don't know if y'all may or may not be familiar with this, but the Fisher Space Pens have like a pressurized cartridge, and they're supposed to go right underwater and upside down, and if you have the chance in space, that kind of thing. So, they're definitely an all-weather kind of EDC pen. Anyway, it's kind of a neat pen. I like it. Very solid. Anyway, if you have any questions or if there's anything you'd like me to check out, let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.